All right, guys, welcome. So I've been asked to do a review for Richtech Robotics, which is something I would have done anyways, as I cover all the initial public offerings. So if you're new to this channel and you are looking for IPO reviews plus stocks already trading on the market, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell, guys, because if you don't hit the notification bell, you're not going to be notified by YouTube. So, if you want to see future videos show up on your homepage on YouTube, you'll have to hit the notification bell. That's what I was told. So that's that. Before I continue, guys, I don't know whoever got into APLM today, congrats. It did do a nice pop. Let's say that I think it started from like 60 cents, as you can see here. This is my Discord screenshot. When in pre-market, I picked up on it at 81 cents. And I wasn't really sure exactly then. I took a screenshot real quick to put it on this one. Then I said, guys, when I looked at the news, I said, what bothers me with this is that the announcement today, the data was partial. So they were saying that the patient had received superior partial positive response. I don't remember exactly what it was. So I didn't get into that because of that word. And you know what? I don't regret it, to be honest, because I had enough. Pharmaceutical stocks, they're like cryptos. They can come up with news, nice little title, nice little headline. When you're thinking the trial data is great, you won't believe how many times people will actually buy right away without even reading the trial data, and it ends up tanking. It happens many times. So I didn't want to fall into that, and I said that I'm just going to read the trial data, and then I'll make up my mind. Well, by the time I read the trial data, it was too late because the stock went up to nearly 140. It went after that. So it went from 81 cents to nearly 140. I guess you can say just a little bit more, we would have had 100% gain. There were 2 people in my Discord who took advantage of it. Congratulations. I personally tried to avoid penny stocks and getting into them blindly. All right, guys. Richtech Robotics, $15 million IPO. This company manufactures robots, various robots for various functions. Let's say for the restaurants or the hotels or for home. They're based in Las Vegas, and the company CEO is Mr. Zhen Wu Huang, who has been with the company since the beginning. And the company offers robots for restaurants, hotels, for senior living centers, casinos, factories, movie theaters, and they have $4.5 million that they have received in investment. All right, so one of the robots, guys, is the Atom system, and they say that it's an autonomous food and beverage system. Actually, it's a proof of concept, but yeah. So it's a proof of concept for a truly autonomous food and beverage system, which would allow, they say, restaurants to eventually fully automate their back-end operations. So the back-of-house operations. So that's one. They've got plenty. I'll show you guys pictures in a little bit. In 2022, they had a little bit over $6 million in revenue. The same thing for 2021. The gross profit went from 2.8 to 3.9. All right, but here's something I found, guys, in the SEC filing. It says here in 2022, we executed a master service agreement, MSA, with a major hotel brand with over 5,000 properties worldwide. One thing I hate is when they never mention what the brand is. I hate when they do that. It's almost always not a good sign, but that's just my opinion. As of the date of this prospectus, we have begun a nationwide rollout of our products to this customer's hotel locations under this MSA. We also entered into an MSA with one of the nation's largest restaurant chains, which with over 2,000 locations in the United States. So that sounds really, positive. It would be nice if they named it, but that's that. There's more here that you can read if you want to pause the video. But guys, valuation score. There's not much more to do as far as review. The flow to outstanding shares ratio is 4.6%. So it's going to be small. It's going to be volatile. It's expected to trade on November 7th, and the ticker symbol is going to be RR. It's actually available right now for $4 to $6 on Webull. Pacific Century is the underwriter. I don't know what to say. I thought that this one was going to offer their existing shareholders, to sell shares on day one. Some of the other small IPOs that are available on Webull right now do, and so I don't like that. I don't like that when they do that. I looked at the SEC filing. I don't see that this company would do that. So that's a positive sign. So $4 to $6. Pacific Century robots. They say they got major deals with a really big hotel company with 5,000 locations and restaurant company with 2,000 locations that they did those deals in 2022, and that they're going to be rolling those out. So maybe after they go public, not immediately, but at some point they'll have those news, and that will help the stock also go up a little bit. But overall, I think that I think that it could be a pre-order. Right, I could see that being a pre-order. Yeah, I think it as a stock to sell on day one. So if I were to pre-order this, I would like to sell it on day one. So if I pre-order and the share allocation comes to me at, let's say, $5 a share, right? So it's 4 to 6, so you're gonna likely going to get it at 5, and then on day one it goes to 7, 8. I'm out. That's just my opinion. I'm out right away. I'm not even holding any longer than that. So that's that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And I wish you guys all the best. Take care.